How to add location on Snapchat story. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily add location to your Snapchat story. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Snapchat app and take a snap. Then tap on the stickers. If you have given Snapchat location permission, you will see the location sticker here. If you don't see the location sticker here like me, then that probably means that you haven't given location permission to Snapchat. So to give permission, open your phone settings. Scroll down and tap on Applications and Permissions. Then tap on App Manager. Find and tap on Snapchat. Then tap on Permission. Select any of these options to allow Snapchat to see your location. Now go back to Snapchat. Swipe to the left and keep on swiping till you see this. Enable location filters. Then tap on Enable and tap on OK. Swipe once more to the left and the location will show up on your snap. To add this snap to your story, tap on Send To. Then choose which story you want to put this snap on and tap on Send. So this is how you can add location to your Snapchat story.